Welcome to the Statistical Observatory. Are you curious about the world around you? Do you find data fascinating and enjoy uncovering hidden insights? If so, you have come to the right place. Please do hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Now, let us see what is the key influencers analysis. This analysis is particularly useful in scenarios where you have a target indicator and several potential influencing indicators, and you want to determine which indicators are the most influential to strengthen the interventions in the operational area and achieve the goal. The example quickly shows how the COVID-19 vaccination status, yes/no, is impacted by the set of various influencing or independent indicators in different locations countries. This page presents summary of the survey, where the richness of data meets clarity in presentation. Here, we have distilled the essence of our survey findings into concise and insightful tables. Each table is a window into key patterns, trends, and responses that emerged from our survey participants. In this page, please have a look on Power BI Key Influencer chart, where data-driven insights come alive with the power of visualization. Here, we have harnessed the capabilities of Power BI to present you with dynamic charts that decode the intricate world of key influencers and their impact with different set of influencing indicators in different locations countries. Please continue to watch for different countries. Remember, behind every data point lies a story waiting to be uncovered. As we journey through insights and exploration, let curiosity be your guide and data be your compass. Your role in interpreting these numbers is what brings them to life. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the world of possibilities that data presents. Thank you for being a part of our community. Keep visiting the channel and do subscribe it. Look forward seeing you soon again. Statistical Observatory.